Hey everyone, welcome to the garden, and I hope you're ready because today we are going to build this raised bed. Oh, I am having to compete with this bird here. I hope you can hear me. Right, so let's get to it. Right, I'm getting in some before shots, and let's see what it will look like after. I don't know how much I'll get to do today, but at least if I start it, I can have a think about it. I'm gonna get some side view. So I needed to remove all the rocks and what was there so I can see what rocks I have and look at the space properly. So I've taken out all the rocks that were lining this bed. There they all here. Now I need to stack up. I need to stack them up properly again and elevate it. Okay, clean slate, and so I've taken out everything. You can see the slope is not too visible, but it is there. And yeah, so now I can make a start. And I also made it into a curve. Previously it was just a straight line, so now I've just curved it out a bit more and we get a bit more planting space too. I dug out a trench so I can set the first row of rocks, and they'll be stable, and now I can set the rest of it in there. Time to showcase my stonemason skills. The first row was easy, and now it's just need to see how I go with the rest of the rocks. Okay, the sun's gone down and it's gotten pretty dark, but at least I got this far, and I'm glad I made a start. Let me go closer. You can start to see it forming. I think I need to add some concrete though because it's gonna fall. They're not stable. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, I like it. That's what it looks like. And if I had proper stack stones, it would have been easier because they're flat and I could set them one on top of the other. But with these boulders, or these are large river rocks. They are so rounded, and the first row was okay, but once I started stacking them up, you can see that they actually were wobbly because there's no groove to set in properly, and they just wouldn't fit together. So it was a bit more challenging with these rounder or rounded rocks. But stack stones are so expensive, so yeah, I had to make do with what I had. And these rocks were in the garden. They were all around. I mean, they blended in, but I could make use of them, and I thought, let me just use them up here. And I've used these little rocks to just jam them in between, so hopefully that stabilizes them and they don't topple. I'm just watering this soil in so that it settles better, and I'm hoping it just settled into these rocks and holds them as well, because they just they don't look sturdy. But with the soil behind it, it might give it some support, and that just increased the size as well. Okay, I need to give it a good soak. All right, so that is looking complete, or as complete as I can get it. I suppose I can get more rocks on top there, but I don't have big ones now, because you can see from this side I've got more here and less on that side. But I'll fix that up sometime. Now the garden is looking ready, and I won't plant now. I just need to let the soil settle first, and I'm hoping to plant the ground cover to trail. And if I do that, that's going to help support the rocks. It is looking so good. Such a quick project. And now I've got an extra space to plant here. Look, the soil just needs to settle. And there's some, I need to do some nice after shots. I go down.